Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix you cannot log in because your account has been locked. So guys, if your Apple ID has been locked and you are unable to log in your Apple ID in your iPhone and you are facing this problem whenever you try to log in your Apple ID in your device, here I will show you how can you fix this. So before that, simply go back to your home screen, and from here you will have to open any browser in your device. Like, you can open your Google Chrome and search here for I forgot appleid.com. So as here you can see this, tap on this and wait for some seconds, and from here tap on I forgot.apple.com, and from here tap on this arrow button, tap on sign in, and from here scroll it below and tap on sign in, and from here tap on use the different Apple ID, and from here enter your email address or your phone number or your Apple ID, and tap on continue, and from here tap on forgot password, and from here tap on help someone else, and from here enter the email address or phone number of the account you want to reset, and again tap on continue, enter the phone number or confirm the phone number from here which is linked with your Apple ID, and tap on continue again, and from here tap on send code to this phone number. So guys, a code has been sent to your phone number. You will have to simply enter that code here, and enter the code and wait for some seconds. Enter the passcode for your device, so as from here you will have to enter new Apple ID password, enter it, and after this tap on continue. So guys, here you can see this, your password has been changed. Now tap on done and go back to your home screen again and open settings again, tap on your profile. So guys, from here tap on sign in to your iPhone, enter your email address or your Apple ID here, tap on continue, and enter your password which you have recently changed, and tap on done button, and here you can see this, you are signing in to your Apple ID. So guys, from here enter the code which is sent to your phone number, so guys, here you can see this, you are signing, and from here tap on continue, tap on agree. So guys, here you can see this, your Apple ID has been unlocked, and now you can enjoy your Apple ID on this device. enter the passcode for your device and continue. Tap on don't merge, and now you are signed into your device. So as your Apple ID has been unlocked, and you can now easily use your Apple ID in your device. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.